Good morning. It's a Sunday the 13th of September and the temperature's about 12 degrees, and this is the view from the Gilnahirk Viewpoint, and I'm just looking down to see what is in Belfast Harbour today. I think there was two big cruise ships in yesterday. I think it might have been the Viking and something else, I can't remember. And I'm just trying to find where the other one is that's in at the minute. I think it's down here somewhere. Not sure what it is actually. So I need to go home and look up Belfast Harbour website. Don't think I can actually get the name from here. The zoom isn't that good. So there it is. Can't see the name. And another day and another cruise ship. And most of the cruise ships now park up at the Belfast cruise ship terminal, which is that. You can see the white off the top of the building there behind that big black pole. That's the Belfast cruise ship welcome centre terminal, designated terminal. Good to see it at long last. So I'll go home and I'll look up the name of this cruise ship. It could well be the Astoria, which has been in multiple times. Unfortunately, whenever there's 2 or 3 cruise ships, they have to park up at Stormont Wharf or Pollock Dock, because this one here only can take 1 cruise ship at a time. Anyway, that's the view. Just panning round. Reasonably mild today for, yeah, it's quite pleasant actually. I'm on the motorbike. And it's not too bad. In fact, I'm feeling quite warm. So there you go. That's Shandon Park Golf Club in front of us, in the tower block. Refurbished, brand new tower block. Pretty good actually, what they did. Right, upward and onward.